Let me be honest with you. Most people don't struggle with money because they're bad at math or lazy. They struggle because money has been made to look complicated. Budgets, apps, investment terms, endless advice, and after a point, the brain just says, I'll deal with this later. That later turns into years. The truth is simple. Money isn't complicated, we complicate it. Here's something most people never hear. 90% of people don't need a perfect plan or genius-level knowledge to do well financially. They need a simple system they can follow consistently. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline breaks sometimes. But a system, once set, quietly works in the background even on days when you're tired or confused. The first rule of this system is straightforward. Not all the money you earn is meant to be spent. Most people get paid and then start spending. That's where things go wrong. Flip the order. The moment money comes in, pay your future first. Even if it's just a small percentage, move it out immediately. The amount matters less than the habit. Consistency changes lives. The second rule is to stop building your lifestyle around EMIs and monthly payments. Being able to buy something doesn't mean you should. Real financial success is having choices, not showing upgrades. The moment you can say no to things you don't need, you gain control. EMIs quietly steal your future freedom 1 month at a time. The third rule is boring but powerful. Build an emergency fund without drama. Life doesn't follow plans. Jobs change, health issues happen, responsibilities show up unexpectedly. An emergency fund won't make you rich, but it will keep you calm when life hits, and calm people make better financial decisions. The fourth rule is something no one tells beginners. Investing should feel boring. If it feels exciting, it's usually risky. For most people, simple long-term investing works better than chasing fast money. Wealth is built through patience, not speed. The people who win are the ones who stay in the game long enough. The fifth rule is often ignored. Invest in yourself, your skills, your health, your knowledge. You are your biggest asset. When your income grows, every part of this system becomes stronger. Without income growth, even the best plans struggle. And the most important part of this entire system is simplicity. You don't need to do everything. You just need to do a few things well again and again. The best financial system is the one you can actually follow without stress. So start today. Not with a perfect plan, but with a simple one. Give your money a direction. Make your decisions boring and your discipline strong. If you stay consistent, your future self will thank you for starting now.